Hello, this is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new model from Boston Whaler. This is the all-new 2019 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. This boat is of course the light blue hull color, which is one of the most popular gel coat colors. The beam is about 5 foot 10 inches. The weight of the boat with engine, gear, fuel, etc. is approximately 1,000 pounds. And the draft of the boat with just the hull only is about 9 inches. A couple of things that are new about this boat for 2019. You see the bat wing design on the transom, which moves the ladder out, makes it a little safer, it points it away from the motor. You also see the teak accents that harken back to the old mahogany whaler days. As we step into the cockpit, you see you got a lot of space back here for chairs, coolers, beach equipment, anything you need to haul around. You have the bim top, you have the bench seat, which can be configured a number of ways. You can do a cushion, you can do the hinged helm seats, which are very popular. You can also do the high back bucket seats. New also this year in the console is you have a storage compartment up front, big gasket on it. It does drain, so you can use it as a cooler as well. Also, as you move further forward, you can do a cooler option here with a cushion. You can do a bow cushion on top of the anchor locker. So the iconic 13 Super Sport has been refreshed and renewed for 2019. That's a quick tour of it. My name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Our number is 910-256-8100. We look forward to seeing you soon.